All right, well today our goal is to keep the refrigerator cool. So I'm gonna take you outside and show you what we did outside, but we gotta beat this Las Vegas heat. So come along with me outside. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna try to beat the heat here in Las Vegas.
So we have purchased a sunscreen, and I just thought I'd show you the ultimate setup, because the more airspace you have between where the sun hits and that trailer, the cooler you'll be able to keep it. So this was the perfect setup at this place, but you're not always going to have that. Let me show you how I did it in Las Vegas.
And I just want to show you my setup and kind of explain why I use bungee cords. I use bungee cords because they flex. So if the wind blows, it has a little bit of flex. So what you want to do is find a couple anchor points. So I anchored over on the ladder, and on this side, I'll show you. I anchored on the solar panels. And the idea is we're going to cover the refrigerator area on that slide and just give it a little bit more shade, and maybe we can drop the temperatures by giving it a little bit of shade. But it sits in the sun all day, and it's getting really, really hot. So I'm going to take you down and just show you the anchor. So as you can see, I've got it draped out over the refrigerator area. I've got my little fan going to work in there to help cool things off on that side. So now all I need to do is tack these down and give it a little bit of shade, because shade will cool this off more, at least the side of the RV it will. All right. Okay, so how about that? Instant shade. We got a little bit of shade. The idea is we're going to keep that area in the shade as long as we possibly can. Okay, so as you can see, we've lowered that temperature, and we'll see you every Tuesday for RV tips and tricks for around 2 minutes.